All right, yesterday we did something called fill across, which is a great time saver because you're able to uh, pretty much make a copy of a formula and just drag across your screen and it will automatically copy. We do that in a horizontal direction. You can also do the same thing vertically with something called fill down, and we'll get to that in just a minute. But let's first get a title up here. I think everybody's got used to doing the merge and center. So we're going to go from A1 over to F1, and we're going to go up here to merge and center, and we're just going to put in Gradebook. Okay, and this is very similar to the math grades we did about a week ago. All right, what we have here is a list of students that have taken 4 tests, and we have their average. Now, if you'll remember, this formula has already been typed. When you click on it, you can see that the average, and this is actually called a function. It's a special kind of formula. Remember that it's averaging these test scores starting at B4 through to cell E4. Now, as long as you've done it correctly, you can then take advantage of the fill down command. If you'll remember from last night, we put our mouse in the lower right corner of the cell. You can see that little dot. And when your mouse is right on it, it's going to change shape. And then you can hold your left button down and drag to the bottom. And if you click in any cell, it's going to have the correct function in it, and it's also going to have the correct range. It automatically adjusts itself, just like we talked about yesterday. The only difference is we're going down the page instead of across. All right, once again, you will not have to type this entire spreadsheet. You'll have the option of downloading it, and I do want you to fill in a couple of the students down at the bottom, and then you're going to do your fill down before you submit it. Let's look at it one more time. Okay, the formula, the function is already typed up here, equal average. Okay, we got to make sure that's correct. Remember what we said yesterday. If you incorrectly type the formula or function and then you do this command, you're making a copy of something that's incorrect, so we don't want to do that. All right, once again, lower right corner of the cell. See how the mouse changes? The pointer changes into more of a little tiny X, and then we drag to fill in the rest of the students. So, download your copy of this. I will give you the sheet. I want you to finish filling in a few of the students at the bottom, and then you'll do your fill down command, save it, and submit it. And that's all there is to it. All right, good luck. Bye.